Vande Mataram children, how are you all? Today we will learn phonics sounds with the help of your textbook. So let's start. This is letter F and the sound of letter F is like water is coming from the fountain. Sound of F is F, finger. F, fire. F, face. F, father. F, flower. F, fish. F, food. F, fork. F, fruit. F, fence. Next letter is G and the sound of G is G. 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 Giraffe. G. G. Goat. G. G. Gate. G. G. Grass. G. G. Girl. G. G. Gift. G. G. Goose. G. G. Grapes. Next letter is H and the sound of H is the panting sound, हाफने का sound, the panting sound. H, house. H, hand. H, hammer. H, hat. H, horse. H, hen. H, heave. H, hay. H, hill. Hill. H, helicopter. Next letter is I and the sound of I is E. 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 I. E. Igloo. I. E. Iron. I. E. Ink pot. I. E. Insect. I. E. Invitation. I. E. Ice cream. I E idli. I E ice. The sound, this is the letter J, and the sound of J, letter J is ch, 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 ch. J, j, jug. J, j, juice. J, j, jelly. J, j, jackfruit. J, j, jam. J, j, jasmine. J, j, jacket. J, j, cheese. Dear children, please learn these phonics sounds with the help of this video. Keep learning, keep growing. Have fun, have a nice day. Thank you.